truly honored to be your host for today's Grand Assembly. Today we gather here with a sense of a pride and excitement to celebrate the achievement of our exceptional students. We are here to recognize and honor students who shown outstanding qualities through their hard work, dedication and commitment to their houses and to our school. खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. Now I would like to invite here Miss Taiba ma'am, Miss Naira ma'am, Miss Zeenat Mukhtar ma'am, Mr. Roop sir, Masad ma'am and Suraya ma'am. House members and Ghalib House led by Aika ma'am and co-teacher with her co-teachers. Aika ma'am, please come on the stage. Kira ma'am, please come on the stage. Anju ma'am, please come on the stage. Please welcome them with open clap. Open clap, ready, go.
Successful in a life, one must follow rules and regulations so that we will become better citizens in future.
On the basis of voting done in classes 10th A and 10th B, 9th A and 9th B, we have chosen Sarmad of class 10th as a head boy. Everyone have a big round of applause. And Hassan of class 9th